Good morning. My name is Saqib Khan, and today I am going to talk about Rajasthan. Rajasthan is known as bravery and rich culture and royal heritage. In earlier time, this region was known as Rajputana because most of part of Rajasthan were ruled by Rajput kings. But in Shekhawati area, Qaim Khanis and Zats were also played an important role in local rule. Rajasthan is the largest state of India by covering almost 3.5 lakhs square kilometer, and it shares its border with Pakistan, Haryana, Punjab, and Gujarat and MP. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan, and nearly 60% of Rajasthan covered by Thar Desert. From political perspective, Rajasthan usually follows 5-year alternate system where power shifts between BJP and INC, and the state has 200 seats. Now BJP in the power with 150 seats, and Mr. Bhajanlal is the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, and INC is the opposition party, and Mr. Tikaram Juli is the opposition leader, and politics of Rajasthan is usually influenced by caste and community equation rather than work and development. Even ticket distributing during elections also depends on caste ratio of area. And at the end, I want to add a quote for Rajasthan. कुणा आपा ध्यान राखणो मायड़ भाषारो मान राखणो कुणा आपा ध्यान राखणो मायड़ भाषारो मान राखणो रहो घटा भी मुल्क में चाहे पर दिल में राजस्थान राखणो। थैंक यू।